MSR Trail Series snowshoes are engineered for comfort and lightweight efficiency along casual trails, valley basins, and rolling terrain. With streamlined designs, they're ideal for covering serious distance or having serious fun closer to home. Trail Series snowshoes include several models, so you can choose the one that's best for you. Our best-selling unisex Evo Trail is the perfect entry-level choice for beginner and intermediate snowshoers or those looking for a super durable option that will stand up to years of hard use. The molded plastic frame is sturdy and has molded brake bars and steel traction rails for excellent grip. The Revo Trail, available in men's and women's versions, is an ideal blend of durability and performance, with more traction than the Evo for steeper hills. The Lightning Trail, also in men's and women's, is our lightest weight snowshoe available. It's perfect for those looking to go long distances in less technical terrain and has the most traction of the Trail Series snowshoe options. Each model features the Paraglide Binding, which is designed for ease of use and comfort for newer snowshoers while providing a secure fit. The single mesh piece stretches evenly over your foot for unmatched comfort. It provides a pressure point-free hold that is compatible with nearly any footwear, from light hikers to snowboard boots. To put on the Paraglide, place your foot against the toe stop and simply pull the outside strap forward over your foot. Then tighten and secure the rear strap. Roller buckles make tightening the straps easy and intuitive by holding them in place without slippage. Large, easy-to-grab buckle pulls make removing the straps quick and simple, even with gloves on. MSR's unrivaled frame traction and a steel crampon offer reliable grip, letting you explore the winter landscape with confidence. All Trail Series snowshoes also come with Televator heel lifts to ease the burn while walking uphill. Optional accessory tails can be added to all MSR snowshoes for extra length and float in deep snow or powder conditions. Made in Ireland, Trail Series snowshoes are made with the same quality engineering that goes into MSR's most advanced snowshoes. Perfect for casual snowshoers on local trails or minimalists moving quickly in less technical terrain, the Trail Series will get you out there with confidence and comfort.